Are you ready to unlock the door to your dreams using the law of attraction? This powerful principle has the capability to transform your desires into reality at lightning speed. However, many individuals have yet to harness its true potential, often missing crucial steps along the way. By applying 3 proven techniques, you can effortlessly attract love, success, money, or happiness into your life. The journey begins with visualization. Picture yourself in the life you desire. Close your eyes and immerse yourself in that vision. Feel the emotions associated with achieving your goals. Whether it's the joy of financial abundance, the warmth of loving relationships, or the exhilaration of personal success, allow those feelings to wash over you. Your emotions are potent magnets. When you truly see and believe that you already possess what you yearn for, you set the powerful law of attraction into motion, drawing your desires closer to you. Next, introduce daily positive affirmations into your routine. Statements like, "I am attracting success effortlessly," or "money flows to me abundantly," are not merely words. They are powerful tools for programming your subconscious mind. As you repeat these affirmations, ensure you do so with unwavering belief. Imagine each affirmation as a seed planted in the fertile soil of your mind, destined to blossom into reality. This practice not only reinforces your goals, but also aligns your energy with the frequency of abundance, allowing you to attract what you desire at a faster pace. The final piece of the manifestation puzzle is taking inspired action. Remember, manifestation is not just about positive thinking. It's also about putting in the work. The universe responds favorably when you take small, inspired steps toward your goals. Each action you take signals your commitment to your desires, creating a powerful resonance between you and the universe. When you think it, feel it, and act on it, the universe aligns to deliver your desires. Embrace this 3-step process. Visualize, affirm, then act. You'll soon find your life transforming in ways you never thought possible. If you're craving more manifestation hacks, don't forget to share your dreams and aspirations. Like, subscribe, and let's bring our desires to life together.